Wind is not our friend. Right now I'm kneeling on our tube. This is actually wider. I think this is 18. I think the other stuff was 12. It was 12-inch wide. So that tube is filled. I actually moved it down because that is the high corner on the ice skating rink. This one's filling up. It's actually, there's a little hill that it's trying to fill up over. And I stapled it. I had enough length on this one. I stapled it up on the wood. You don't want. I stapled it up on the wood on the other side and put the hose through, and so it's just holding itself, which is kind of handy. And then I'm sitting over here and we've got plenty of length over this one. So this one is plenty long. I'm going to put an extension of tube over there when we get done with this, but right now there's a little bit of hump in my lawn right there. That hump is, the water has to get over that. And if you want to think about this a lot like the Egyptians figured out how things were level as they dug a trench and they filled it with water, and so they could make it level. See, this is why wind is not your friend here. But the nice part is most of that is held down by that water tube, and that water tube isn't moving anywhere. So that's why it's nice to have that water tube there before you even fill up, even if you're just doing it for weight. So wind is not our friend, and this is filling up nicely. And I'm just here putting tension on it so it lays flat. You don't want twists in your tube. 12 inch is probably fine. 18 inch is a little bit overkill here. Like that's a big wide, that's going to be a big wide sausage by the time it gets done. It's going to be nice.